Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily decorate for Diwali using dollar store products. These ideas are very budget friendly and only cost less than $2 to make each DIY. And also it takes less than 5 minutes to make each DIY. I have also shared 3 tablescape ideas at the end of the video to give you some ideas on how to use the DIYs shown in the video. So before beginning into the video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates I post. So let's begin the video. So if you have seen my last Dollar Tree haul, I have shown all these products that I got from Dollar Tree. So I got some tapes and some candle holders and some gem stickers. So we are going to use all of this today for the DIYs. So first I have taken these mini candle holders and wiped them very well to remove any dust using a microfiber cloth. So let's begin our first DIY. So this is going to be very simple DIY. We are going to just wrap this golden ribbon. This is the diamond wrap around the candle holder, and that's it. Our first DIY is done. This is so simple, you don't need any kind of crafty skills for this. So now you can glue this wrap using hot glue or you can also use super glue. For the video purpose, to make it super simple, I'm just going to use a clear tape. So this is a small tape I have at home, so I'm going to use it. And usually these kind of wraps comes with adhesive, but somehow this wrap didn't come with adhesive, so I'm going to use this clear tape to stick the wrap. This is very easy and it only took me like 2 minutes to complete this DIY. Secure the wrap very well using some extra tape, and this is how it looks. Simple, elegant and beautiful. So our first DIY is done. So let's begin the second DIY. So for this DIY I'm going to use these colorful gem stickers and I'm going to use the smaller candle holders. So you can use any kind of pattern you want. So first here I'm using the first row of the stickers to stick onto the candle holder. So like I said, you can use any kind of pattern, your own design. The options are endless, but I'm going for a simple look and I want to make it in a very less time. So I'm going to stick the first as you can see, I'm going to stick it in that way, and I'm going to give a ½ inch space between both the stickers, and I'm going to fill the entire circumference of the candle holder. So this is very simple DIY. It only takes less than like 2 minutes. Even kids can do it. It will be a nice fun crafty afternoon. So this is how it looks after all the gem stickers. It's colorful, beautiful and so simple, and not to mention it's very cheap as well. So I'm going to do a second design here. So I have taken again an empty candle holder and I'm going to stick the gem stickers in that pattern. Again I'm going to give ½ inch space between both the patterns. As you can see, I have given some space between both of those and it looks so beautiful, and this is one of my favorite design out of all the DIYs today. Simple, again colorful, and it doesn't take much time at all. So this is one design. So let's move on to the third design. So third design, as I'm showing in the video, I'm going to do like a C-shaped design all over the candle. So I'm going to use 2 stickers to make a C shape, kind of C shape. So I'm going to go all over the candle holder in that way. So this is one more pattern. simple again. I'm just trying to keep it simple so that if anybody is watching this video in the last minute and wants to do it, they can do it in less than 5 to 10 minutes, all of these DIYs. So this is the last pattern I did, kind of a chevron pattern, and finally in between each upside V and downside V shape, I'm sticking one more gem sticker. So very simple. Again, like I said, you can use any kind of pattern. You can even cut those gem stickers separate and do your own thing, but to make it simple, I have shown 4 different patterns here. So these are the 4 colorful candle holders. It literally took me under 5 minutes to stick on these gem stickers. So let's move on to our third DIY. So for the third DIY, I have taken these big candle holders. You can say votive holders, hurricane kind of vases. So as you can see, compared to the smaller candle holders, these are very big. So again, I'm going to use these gem stickers. I also have black and white color, but I want to make this video colorful. And I'm also going to use this adhesive diamond wrap. So this is in a bright purplish pink color. So to begin with, if you can see, there is a round pattern in the middle of the gem stickers. So this pattern I'm going to remove it and stick it to the candle holder. I think it looks really nice. So it came as one piece, but you can also cut it again. So it came as one piece. So that's very easy, just stick on there. Again guys, I got this from the Dollar Tree, but you don't have to use the exact stickers. You can use any stickers that you can get from craft store. I'm just giving you some ideas. And here I am cutting a strip of this adhesive wrap, and I'm going to wrap this strip around the bottom of the candle holder like that. So it looks nice. So that's how it looks. I have wrapped it. Because it has adhesive already, it was very easy. I didn't have to use any kind of tape. So this is how it looks. It looks very simple and nice, but to take it to the next level, I have added those gem stickers on the sides as well. So on both the sides, I have added the gem stickers. So again, you can choose any kind of design you want, complicated designs, but like I said, throughout the video, I just wanted to keep this simple. So as you can see, from the empty to the design, it looks so pretty. So this is the second design I'm doing. Again, I have I'm sticking all the gem stickers in that way as shown in the video. And to create a different design, I'm using again this adhesive wrap on the candle holder to make a nice design, like a house shaped design, you can say. So I have cut 2 pieces, and like shown in the video, I'm sticking it in a curvy fashion way to the back of the candle holder, so that it looks like that, maybe like the front shape of a crown or a tiara, like that. So I hope I'm explaining it right. I don't do much craft videos on this channel, and I'm not the crafty person at all. So I don't know the exact name of the shapes and things, but I'm trying my best to explain it as much clearly as possible. So that is the shape I'm going for. As you can see, it looks so pretty. Just the same design as the previous one, but little bit different. So this is how it looks. So both of them look good, but after comparing to the second one, I thought the first one is little bit less decorated. So I went back and decorated on the top using the diamond adhesive wrap. So this is the first one. I have added just the wrap on the top. So these are the 2 big candle holders. It looks so pretty. Let me know in the comments if you like these. And you can use big candles in here, small candles, anything will go. And I forgot to remove the stickers from the bottom of the candle holders. But this is how they look, and I think they turned out pretty good. So that is done. And if you are not crafty at all, if you didn't find those gem stickers, then Dollar Store already carries these golden candle holders, so you can just get them, and they don't require any kind of DIY. So these are the candle holders with the gem stickers and as well as the diamond adhesive wrap. So they look so pretty, so colorful, and it will make your Diwali extra special. So let's see another close-up of them. So I hope you like this simple DIY decor for Diwali. So once these are done, I also want to give you some ideas on how to use these DIYs to decorate for Diwali night. So let's begin. So the first tablescape idea is to use LED lights. These lights I got from dollar store, and an old brass plate and a golden cloth. And if you are using in a puja room, you can hang the golden cloth using some pins onto the wall. So first I'm going to place some flowers around the brass plate. These are fresh flowers from my backyard, but you can also use fake flowers if you don't have the availability. And this is a Buddha I got from dollar store, and I'm going to place these small candle holders with the gem stickers. You can use LED candles to lighten up the decor, but to give the real festive look, I have used real candles. And this is our first tablescape idea. You can use this idea on a coffee table, dining table, puja room, side table, anywhere you like. And this is how it looks when the lights are turned off. So festive, so bright, and very simple. Nothing fancy here. So for the second tablescape idea, I have taken the same plate as well as flowers and lights. I just changed the backdrop to a pink bright cloth so that it looks more festive. And like I said before, you can hang this cloth onto a backdrop or a wall. And to raise the height of the idol Lakshmi, I have used a golden candle holder that I got from dollar store, and I am placing the small candle holders wrapped with the diamond wrap, and I'm using some candles to lighten it up. That's it. Our second tablescape idea is here. It is so simple, takes less than 5 minutes to put it together, but it's so beautiful, and especially when the lights are turned off or dimmed, it looks bright, festive, and amazing. And for the last tablescape idea, I have removed the brass plate and I have added lots of extra flowers and changed the backdrop as well. So I have this big Buddha statue at our home, so I'm using that and a lotus candle holder which I got like many years ago, and these big candle holders as well as the golden candle holders. And I have shown the bigger LED light, but again to give the real festive look, I'm using the candles. So that's it. This is our third tablescape idea, and you don't have to use this idea only on Diwali. Since the statue is Buddha, you can use it on a regular day as well when your friends are visiting or you have a special occasion. So this is how it looks. And let me show you how it looks when the lights are turned off. So this is how it looks. It looks amazing, and I think your guests will be very impressed on the day of Diwali. I hope you enjoyed all these ideas. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.